Hear me I say. Oh, what a beautiful day we have in music. Oh, what a beautiful day we have in music. I don't think you understand how me feel, you know. Sometimes, my glory them, people not look for my glory them because it not come with money. Like, me not come here so, I show one 10,000 US and I count out some whole per US and people just not take my blessing serious. People want to pray this and overstand. You don't realize, say, everything when me ask the Almighty for in a music, Him grant me it. How long now, you hear me cuss Swiss beats them and the whole of them say, yo, if you don't want to do something for the music, get back being a man and kill them visa. If you don't really say you don't love the culture. Which we ball for Buju get back in visa. Before such man even get visa, I say, of course him will get him visa. See him get visa there. Everything when me ask for. Everything when me ask for. Me don't know if you don't understand the joy what me I feel right now. Me don't think you don't understand the bigger picture of what me I see from long time. Think about it. You don't understand what is happening for reggae and dancehall. I don't know. You don't just talk about visa. You don't know fathom or understand what is happening yet, you know. You don't see it yet, you know. You don't think a normal something is going on? You don't see the ancestors them are work overtime. You don't realize that. Remember say, 1.5 years ago, you know, Afrobeat people are talking about, you know. Don't get me wrong. I love my African brothers and sisters. Love them. I love them Caan and I love them music. But they need to size up with the thing. They need to act like them more than we. They need to act like say, them are the big brother. At one point, Afrobeat fans and Afrobeat people act like them are the thing. They need to act like them are the thing and we are the cool yet. Now the ancestors them show them. We still love Afrobeat and everything, but Afrobeat in a reverse right now. Cause them never we real performer, them are we real people, them never have no visa. I know better than we. I know them are the big brother. And we are the big brother. And we are general them. But them do a whole heap of things to hold you back. Now people, when I forward this, so, I have to come in and big up Buju Banton and him team. Buju Banton and him team come show up the world and show them say we are the big thing. Certain venue where them never argue it because sponsors not argue it. Buju come do it without sponsor. Buju come show them so we can full UBS Arena and we can full Barclays Center without no sponsor. You understand? So now we in a UBS Arena more than anybody else. Every minute one dancehall event in there. Say Shaggy and Berry slap with UBS Arena what day. And Sean Paul. You understand me? So me not think you don't understand the joy when me I feel I know. The joy no normal. Big up. Big up. Big up. Rodney Price. AKA. Signed to Rock Nation doesn't mean Rock Nation a sponsor him event them. Abuja keep him own show them. Abuja and Brother Foota them and Jabba them a keep him show them. So signed to Rock Nation, I know nothing. That I keep Buju show them. And on a Red Bull a sponsor Buju or no Coca-Cola or no T-Mobile or Buju a doing thing himself. Buju a keep him on and show them. And I pull out the numbers without no massive. You know see Buju show them and advertise for no BET and no top of the props and no. No. Buju are doing things on a regular level. I show them say him can do it and come open whole door and open whole eyes. No promoter can invest in our artists them. And know say we have the potential to do it. And we don't have to do it with 10, 15 outside artists. And we don't have to go collaborate with no rapper to make it happen. Buju come open up that vision there. And it'll work. And it'll happen. And we love it. Someone big up Rodney Price. One of the final pieces to the puzzle where we want to dominate America. Remember when I say the final piece I puzzle, them say one half. Cause Popcorn still not get in visa yet. And Popcorn is very important to the ceiling of the puzzle. You understand? But with Killer getting in visa now is a very integral part. It lock in the mission. The mission is almost complete. You understand? The mission is almost complete. Because remember, say with Killer not able to come to America, the puzzle can't fulfill. Because you have people are foreign where can't go to Jamaica. You understand? So with Killer being able to come here, with everybody else where they here. Oh, what a happy day. What a gloriful day. What a blessed day. What a blessing. This is not a big deal. It's a mega meal. This past big deal. This past big deal. This a mega meal. This a mega meal. I want to take time out. Because people remember from a day me a prep on and I say, yo, I have something to tell you, but I can't tell you. And this me that for telling you, And this me that for telling you. Because me know say Killer get the visa before Killer know say him get the visa. Because remember, we grow some whole for youth at Jamaica, see? And them youth they turn big man now. And guess what? Our youth them are working at the embassy and at the tax office. That's why sometimes when you hear some boy come jump up on social media, but them own this and own that at Jamaica, you see my papa have my title and say, Papa have no title. And show no title, say I own something. Why you think me can say that? Because me already make 2 calls and know say them no own nothing. Enough of them boy they say hype about vehicle at Jamaica, them have lean pan it. We not do lean, we straight. Like arrow. Yeah? So we know say Killer get the visa before Killer even know. Can we get the call out of the embassy long time. But me have to give him the respect if you know say him not publicize it, so me can't publicize it. You understand? Because you have certain things where a level of respect. Remember me telling you about Beanie too? Okay. Remember me telling you too about Beanie? And me respect people, privacy and them things. People, me have to big up Bridget, the reggae visa lawyer. People, she up on a roll. And she get Joshy visa. You know that was a problem visa to get. And she get Beanie visa. That was a problem visa to get. And she get Rodney Price, aka Bounty Killer visa, where are the biggest problem to get. No man, me rate her. She a go hard. He like a 3-peat. She go like Michael Jordan. 3-peat. Big 3-peat she go. We have to put respect on her name. We have to put respect on that woman's name. Me no business. If she get Joshy visa, Beanie visa. Remember how much years Beanie out? Must it 10 or 12? Killer out for 15. Josh never look like him. I got glimpse of visa. And she fixed that. She do it. So we have to put some respect on her. Her page name at Reggae Visa Lawyer. Big her up. Now, me hype on some pussy now. Me hold a piece of hype now. Me name Foota hype. My favorite airline in the whole of America is Spirit. Wanna listen to me? My most favorite SSS airline in America is Spirit. Here why I like Spirit now. Even before plane a crash on them something that Spirit me like. Spirit have the biggest exit road them in America. Me can stretch out my foot them long son. Remember a big foot me my foot them big. And me need them long. So me like the exit rope on Spirit. Then what make me love Spirit more now, I don't want to have to pressure promoters to get me a first class ticket for $1,400 or $1,500 or sometimes $2,000 for a first class ticket. So Spirit have something named the big front seat. The seat actually bigger than the first class seat them for American and the rest of them. And then when you buy the big front seat for Spirit, you get unlimited snacks and drinks. All who never fly with Spirit, listen from me. Me's a frequent flyer upon Spirit. Me love Spirit. When you fly the big front seat, you get snacks and drinks endlessly. So it's actually better than first class. Now, if you can get a big front seat for $100 extra for your ticket money, what you want to pay $15,000 and $2,000 for first class ticket over there, sir? Where you get 2 dirty taste but spritzels and 2 little foolishness. Me love Spirit. So, for Foota hype, Spirit big front seat is my first class. Cause I don't, in no illusion, say me, I go Sabam and go buy one first class ticket for $2,000. And the same thing as Spirit, big front seat. Oh, no sir. Me not depend that. I mean, I pressure a promoter to do that. Like me stupid and me not no sense. I pressure promoter pocket to do that. No, don't make no sense. Zin? So watch this now. I say that to say this. Me see some boy, a hype, and people where follow them, I say them rich, and how them are the biggest thing. Zin? And a jet blue, me see some boy a fly pan. Me not even fly jet blue unless I compulsory. Come on, my big front seat, a Spirit me thing there. Unless Spirit not go there, so I can't get no flight pan Spirit. Oh, me for rich. And I come back America after so long. And fly jet blue, you mad? Big up Rodney Basil Price, a.k.a. Bounty Killer. Class is class, and grass is grass. Big up Bounty Killer, private jet pan the pussy them. Don't size up. A long time killer kill them with class. And me don't want to hear no excuse, no man not tell me nothing. No pussy not tell me nothing. Can't tell me say you're rich and you not treat yourself with class. You're mad. You're mad, or if you say you're rich and you're not carry yourself with class. Big up Bounty Killer. Private jet pan the pussy them. I like it. Yeah. Me not play no victim. Some boy I need style, so me I need style too. Me are bad people. Me hear the whole like bad mind people them about Khalid plane. Khalid plane where? Go look on the plane if you see WTB on the wing. Go look if you see we the best on it. Look on the seat them if you see no we the best. That a plane then have nothing to do with Khalid. So no one bad mind no one say a free plane. And no Khalid playing that. And no DJ Khaled playing that. So I like bad mind pussy them when I talk about Khaled playing. You don't want it to be Khaled playing. Because you don't have nothing about you now, you don't have no class. And who no hype now, no class. That I want to call him, because without me calling the name, I can't go viral. Me not call no name. You don't know who me attack. Big up Bounty Killer, you shame the pussy them. Where jet blower go. When you see a WTB on the plane, when you see a We the Best on the plane then have nothing to do with Khaled. Undermine, you know what, undermine killer thing. If you talk about Khaled send free plane go give the man. No free plane. Why you never say a budget jet? Why you never say a budget jet? Now if you don't want to talk, say budget one private jet. Cause who no hype say rich. And I talk about rich, eh? Who don't want to talk, who can't say blood clot, or that look like Buju Banton plane, so. Who ready for show it on Khaled boy, Khaled plane. I know Khaled plane. All of who I wonder, I know Khaled plane. Suck on the mama. No bad mind a killing a pussy wall. Who no hype. Nah live no life. Me nah rich and fly on a bomb buckler jet blue. If me have them breed of money there, where JetBlue I got, JetBlue don't even first class. You mad? You're crazy. Big up Rodney Price. I best thing that boy yesterday. If me not happy for nothing else yesterday, me happy or a private jet the basket. On no pussy hole, you know. On the pussy hole, you know. But somebody say, but being fly first class, then that not better than JetBlue. JetBlue not the first class. JetBlue just one big plane full of worst class. And me and Atabal and I kill them and flabadaba them. Fear fly upon JetBlue. Oh, when you look at idiot friend and no money, I post some little things, it alright. But when killer fly in a private jet, I watch people things. Go suck on no matter. We don't beg friend. When you look at idiot friend, a trick on no, and a mac on with something, it's okay. Oh. But when real things are happen, who don't want to talk about that? Who don't want to talk about that? Make a killer did come a foreign, pan JetBlue, and no friend come in a private jet and seafood a hear the end of it. Seafood a hear the end of it. See if you know the drug killer and tear him and move and tear down the place. Me in a business where TPN want do. TPN tell us that him broke back, so him afraid to fly private. Killer never broke yet. Killer never have no money yet. And coming back to America after 15 years is the right way to forward back in America. Killer shame the pussy them. Shame the dog shit them. Me cannot come back a foreign after so much years. And I charge $1 million show. And fly with my wife pan JetBlue. And even me alone when me a tug it out. Me and my wife pan JetBlue. Go suck on the woman and I go like a hype that. Move! Bounty Killer only real hype. Private jet. Bang bang! Connect! Bullet in a one neck. Pussy wall, you know. You don't have nothing to say now and talk about watch people think I suck on no matter. We are watch everything. If them never want it go up on social media, if them never want to watch out them business, them would put it on social media. Which boy can hype for me no matter how much money you have and a JetBlue you fly? And say you're rich? Move on a pussy wall. One ground Godzilla. And big up Beanie too, at least Beanie fly first class. Whole look of prestige. Some boy not a style. Them not a class. When me a fly Spirit, if I no big front seat, you see me in a exit row. And the exit row costs more money. You have to pay a fee. And me not rich. So all you're richer in a JetBlue. JetBlue seat them maga so. You mad? Private jet. Bullet in a one neck. Warlord. From War Yard. One Grunga General. couldn't be stopped, not even by the federal. Boom bang! Some boy in a class. What I'm doing now. When some boy walk up and down with my rubbish pan and I wash down my rubbish pan and I wipe down my rubbish pan and I pose with my rubbish pan if you try to say my style me, we don't talk about that. Me I use killer on the private jet and style them. Can style a styler. Bullet! Blood clot born rich. Born rich. Born rich. 125 grand from Jamaica to Florida you couldn't find. 130 grand from Jamaica to Florida you couldn't find. 140 grand from Jamaica to Florida for a private jet you couldn't find. And say uno rich. Who not tell that? I fancy I'm not try chick. Killer do it in a style. Killer fly with on stage. Winford Williams. On stage. Where are we flying to? Stay tuned. Killer do it the real way. On stage, they on Killer Jet. Banky, the manager, they on Killer Jet. Esco, they on Killer Jet. Bunty Killer daughter, they on him jet. Bunty Killer son, they on him jet. And guess what? Listen this. Listen this. The lawyer will get Killer and Visa, they on the jet. She was so elated and so excited. At the first she fly from private jet. Big giant liar. You think she can forget Bunty Killer for the rest of her life? And she knows that she helped Killer with him case on a private jet. She come home in her. So some boy about them have style. Them not a style. Them not a style. You never know me I come beat them to the pussy on the hype. Me no rich. Me no rich. So me alright with Spirit big front seat. And I still levels to me think a Spirit big front seat. Up a front me there, my seat bigger than everybody else one. And me I get cashew and peanut and rascal trail mix and cheesies and bun and cheese and beer sitting. I want to get my coffee and me something them and you understand? When me up on JetBlue, me full of style and full of class. I want to move on a pussy. I want to. I want to. Where you going with Shea? Me see little popcorn. Cause when you going like say, some man more than a body, you know. Some boy a style, some me a style them. Blood clot. Zine? Popcorn. Make Shalom no private blood clot jet. Popcorn. Make Stamatera them and the whole of Portmore them on private jet. I want to hear. So some man a hype and a blood clot jet blue them depan. Go! Uno big. Uno big. I want to hear. Uno big. Uno have no class to uno thing. I want to hear. Me see some boy I run up and down with my rascal trash can. And I try, say them I try style Foota hype. You can't style Foota hype. Everywhere me left a rubbish bag, the man pick it up. Everywhere me go, I must MPM. Me say, the best thing Bunty Killer could have do, brother. Yesterday, I got private jet on the pussy them. The best. And me run this. Jerome, a.k.a. Kojak, and me run this. You know, say, I me them a follow. You say, everything me do them follow. I go to and pick up my father and go to brook. And me and my father, I roll. Then you see them go parents setting now. I don't realize. You see, me and my father make 2 steps. Me not follow people and me lead. And me lead. And go so with my father and rope. So a man go so now parents setting. And me run the place. And me them a follow. You know say everything me do them follow. Yeah. You see it? And me run the place, man. And me run the place. You can deny all you want and me run the place. And me them watch like TV. See from them, me not talk about them not gonna viral. I want to. Give them back a little piece of hype. Cause killer take away the whole place. Killer take away the whole place from them. Give them back a little spotlight. Give them back a little spotlight, Foota. Bounty killer take away the place. But no want water down the man thing. But oh, Khalid send jet for killer. Khalid send what? Khalid not send no jet for the man. Man spending money and dealing with them thing in a style. Where no class come from? Persian, you say I cap Persian. No jet blue, no boss fly pan with him wife. How? Hold on, man. I want to understand this. Oh, me feel rich and value so much million. Zine? And me fly with my wife pan jet blue. Jet blue? I don't know fans love talk about rich. Killer of the real class. General class they done go. A general class they done go. Private jet. Private with the whole team. With the whole team. Yeah. No leg room for jet blue. You have a squinch up. Jet blue will turn you in a hunchback. I want here. Blood clot here. One general. Ground Godzilla. One. Show them how it's done. Alright, make sure you say a pussy. And the whole on a bad mind the blood clot. Oh, you never talk. Would you come back America? Private would you go? Private jet. Bounty killer come back America. Private jet. Levels to this. I want to hear. Levels to this. Don't size up. Some boy, a little boy. I want to know. One Gargamel. One warlord. I want to hear. Pussy will do no. You not ready to talk about like you on a pussy. You don't want to say now a Khalid sorry for killer and send jet for him. Ready to tell a lie. Say a Khalid send jet for killer. Remember, you know, I make a private jet what day me and being it to, you know. You remember? And some people, oh, it not move, it not this, it not that. Uno they ever go through the gate if you go near the step. Jet blue? Jet blue? Jet blue? Jet blue? Jet blue. If you ever see King Charles on a JetBlue flight, me pay you. If you ever see King Charles on a JetBlue flight, me pay you. The word king and JetBlue not go together. The word king and JetBlue don't go together. The word king and JetBlue don't go together. Warlord in the building! Yo, me say, when me see, hey, when me get the picture and the rascal video them, and me see say, a private the general go, me say, watch me and them nasty blood clot tomorrow. Eh? Watch me and them tomorrow. When them a trouble me, you know, ball, you know. When them a drop word and a throw word and a go out be a thing, me now, you not say nothing. But when me a clot them on a ball. No, but Raz, start the truth. You ever see King pan commercial flight? Which king you ever see pan commercial flight? Which king? Which king you ever see pan commercial flight? Worst near run a toilet party. You mad? You crazy, man? And me when I have money for fly around the sun. And me, the viral king for fly around the sun. And until you see me a fly a big front seat, me a flying up. Or exit row. The dearest thing them pan spirit, and that's how me fly. The dearest thing them pan spirit. Big front seat or exit row. That's how you see Foota. So in my price bracket are the dearest thing me I work with. Or some man in a bigger price bracket but a fight for fly upon our airline them. Me don't understand that. Me don't understand. That don't make no sense, man. Yeah. From the streets of Jamaica coming special delivery. Bounty killer Banky with the new discovery. Private jet and them gone in at the nursery. Yeah, me tell them some of the worst person for ramp with me trolling her to death, you know. Me trolling her to death. I will trolling her to death. Don't ramp with me. I will trolling her to death. No boy can need style me. I feel like them not get back style, you know. Me see man a wipe down and a wash down and a rub down me toilet. Me toilet them. Nah, no manners. And I try style it, you idiot. The whole of you come over here to listen and hear what me have to say if you come back and tell him. But you know have to listen if you go back, him and watch it too. He worry about me more than himself. Every style when me drop on the internet, him try to follow. Yeah, man, me hurt, man. When you're rich and big, you're nothing in a poor people space, brethren. That bun me, dog. Yeah. When you're big and rich, low poor people things are alone, man. You see me? Low poor people things are alone, man. We are follow up. Jet Blue, brother. Come down now, man. Mashallah, man. Come down. Come down now, man. I can't go Jet Blue. Come down, man. Come down, man. I'll shalom I fly private. I play Ludi. And then bronze chew fish and rasclat, oxtail in a private jet, you know? I shalom, man. Come down, man. Al shalom. I eat blood clot, callaloo and okra. Pan rasclat private jet. I get out some pizzas and a can of Sprite. No, man. Shalom, come down. Come down now, man. Oh, shit in that plate. Come down. Come down, man. Shalom, man. You know see the warlord touchdown in Florida. Rasclad, situ glass with red wine. You know see a general. Yo, the way the man and biggie on the glass. No go ha ha ha. But them say, man, Florida, with the warlord on the corridor. Only not see it? Only not see it? Only not see it? What is Florida? Warlord on the corridor? Want to some boy? Yo! Yo, don't size up some man. Some man to know say yes, you're bad, you're great, but stop running down the greatest. When you now do no greatness. Relax. Ashalama. What the rest? Where's it? Come down. Ashalama, Sean. Ashalama. Oh, shit in the plate, man. Yeah, Raz, and you hear the man say, Miami. Oh, no, halfy, hire me. What is, alright, when you reach, what is 25,000? What is 30,000 to make back your entrance in America? What is that to spend for yourself? That's why you know say some man not real. Because them a do some things to people talk about, oh, richer with this, but you not do it for yourself. So how you're genuine if you not do it for yourself? How you not do it for yourself? Then me can come back and make my entrance back in America. I'm rich. And go JetBlue. Not even one first class by American airline. JetBlue. Look how my foot big. Look how me need them high. You're mad. Squinch upside of regular people. People are fat by you can't say nothing. Mighty God, man. At least when in a private jet and somebody fat, you can say, yo, I want out of the 6 hours, you know. But you're on regular ass clad JUTC bus, brother. JetBlue a JUTC bus. If you never know, original Bougie, I can give you a piece of history. Because someone just know me. The second time, I fly on plane in my life. And me and Bounty Killer and Shaggy and Rick Rock fly private jet from Jamaica to Barbados for the grand opening of Digicel in Barbados. That time Rihanna never exists. So me used to this, me not new to this. The second time I fly in a life. And remember the first time I fly on plane, I the Saturday before that, that was the Tuesday. So I fly this Saturday, go Barbados, play, collect my money, come home, there me yard, and Tuesday night day Killer call me say, yo, you did get the passport, man? And me say, yeah, man, me did get the passport, man. Say, yo, meet me at the airport. We are going to Barbados. Me say, Killer, you know, me just come from Barbados Sunday. And the man say, well, we are going over there again. Private jet. Ask Shaggy when you see him. Ask Killer when you see him. That time there was no internet, no YouTube, no Instagram. I've been doing this. So when you see me on private jet, me and Beanie, me and Killer fly private jet already and go do work and mash up the place. So you're somebody, that's the past, what about now? Now you're done is flying on JetBlue, blood clot there. You talk about past and present. You can't talk to me. Me have past, present and future. And who not hype up a fly on JetBlue? No. In our present, no. So if you talk to me, or if you talk to me, you see, you don't want to undermine Killer. Me say Killer dep on the private jet and Shaggy. You want somebody jump up. Shaggy pay feed. So why Killer couldn't pay feed? You didn't know so that show that where we go to Barbados. A Bounty Killer close the show? What that mean? Do you know what that mean? Shaggy dep on the show, Alice Hines, whole heap of people. And a Bounty Killer close the show. Wanna go Google it. The grand opening of Digicel in Barbados. Go check it. Who cares who booked the fucking jet? Are we fly upon the jet? That means we are the star. Are we are the star? Me don't need to pay for jet. Star no pay for nothing. Star no pay for nothing. So we not talk about star no pay for nothing. We on a bad mind. We don't like hear the truth. Bounty Killer, private jet and bust them head. The best thing Killer could have done for me yesterday, I fly private. Yo, member say, no Beanie never fly upon JetBlue, you know. A first class Beanie did fly. So Beanie still do better. Beanie still do better. So when you don't size up, Relax and look yourself. You hear that? Yeah. And put respect on Killer blood clot name. And put respect on Buju Banton name. First thing, me can't vex. If me throw rubbish through my window and the homeless man pick it up and me drive gone about my business, how me fi vex? When me throw it out, me don't even know who pick it up. Me just throw out garbage and gone about my business. Me throw out garbage and gone about my business. I heard the one. I heard the one. You know what left mean? Mean I left what I don't want. And somebody pick up what I left. I saw it name. You understand? What left. So if you say me vex over what, me not vex over that, man. I want to hear, man. Me the up in the sky high. I mean him Foota hype high. You understand? Remember, some man sing about private jet, but we fly in a private jet. That's a big difference. Yo, me love it, me love it, me love it, yo. Yo, killer, yo, me love it, me love it, me love it. Me love it, me love it. We love it, we do this for real. 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 Me a general for real. In a girl department, me a general for them. In a status department, me a general for them. In a bad man department, me a general for them. In a places been all over the world, me got more place than them. Me a star for them in a every level. Me boss before them, all of that. I make money before them, all of that. Pussy world doing it. Come on. Oh, shalom. Oh, shit in a plate. Come on. We not take style from no boy. Any boy style, we style them. I want to you. Me slate clean. Me no suck pussy nor fuck batty, no boy can style me. Powerful boy. Any need style, no boy do me style them brawling. Bad people. You hear that? Bad people. Killer shame them yesterday. Killer shame them yesterday. Love it, killer. Private jet. Run blood. Run blood. You have to tell them in a run blood. Say some boy can't talk to me, you know. Worse when it come to girl thing. See run blood the people. Run blood can tell us from me a walk foot. Run blood come uptown in a big uptown house. And pull up on him look at me him see in a house. He must say, what you do you so? What you do you so? So run blood I want to you, man. My turn, man. And them girl they clean like whistle. Like fire from long time. Sir Andy tell some boy don't size up man, we do this long time. You see me? Big up Bounty Killer back in America. My general that as artist. Big up Elephant. You know a thing go. Original. You understand me I say? I want to hear Killer flying at only if give the man him ratings. Only if give the man him ratings. The man fly with on stage. Fly with him liar. Fly with him picnic them. Fly with him engineer. Cause escort dead too. Fly with him manager. Real star blood clot thing that. I saw Jay-Z them move. I saw Lico Wayne them move. You see me? I saw Burner Spratt them move. You see me? Starting. Blood clot do you know. We celebrate all our artists them, but here and now, some of them fans they are hypocrite. Them want style people. And when them friends style people, them skin, them teeth. And when I feed them time to get style now, them are go on like say, no man immune from get style. I want to hear. Some boy if you get style, cause them are style people. Me not afraid of no boy, we style anybody. For your style, we style you. When I beg no friend, no boy, no blood clot pay with bills. No boy, no feed we. I want to we are start for real. I want to. And see killer the real starting there for real. I want to. See killer the real starting there for real. That means if police pull up, liar there. I want to. If I news, the media there. If a family moment, my kids them there. If you want to book a show, my manager there. If you're ready for voice a song, my engineer there. Bumbo clad. Yo, killer the man. Killer the man. You know, see a straight in a studio, the man go voice. And escort the right away. Engineer on deck. At them levels there. Oh, not talk about real star don't bring down other star. Some in a earphone star a disrespect all woman. Me no hear my disrespect all woman on stage. And a style people. Need style and not say nothing. Or the blood clot and not say nothing about them something there. But when the film time forget style now. Who know about don't bring down other star. Go suck on no mother. Bunty not feel like me. Somebody say Bunty not like me. I tell us I'm a fuck man. Killer feel like me. Killer not feel like me. But him do the right thing. Him travel to America in style. With him whole entire team. A lawyer, manager, engineer, media team, and his kids. On a private jet. Somebody say every day I come on the internet I talk about man. Every day you come over my page I trace for man. At least I'm me I talk about, where me I talk about, who you I talk about. What you do over here? Who you come and trace for? You know some little hypocrite fans, some one-sided fans. I don't want to downplay everybody else's greatness. And go on like I only look at idiot friend alone great. And him not dep on the man them level. Bunty killer shame everybody yesterday. Bunty killer show say a levels to this thing. Bunty killer show say a class to the thing. You understand? Class to the thing. The general travel with him lawyer. Him manager, him engineer, him media team, and his kids. Oh, not gonna beat that. Oh, not gonna beat that. When a jet blue on a fly plan. Oh, if you argue on a jet blue on a fly pan. Well, I know. Oh, I got contest that on a jet blue in the fly pan. Me I ask you a question. Oh, I got argue that case here. Zin? Oh, I got to argue that case here on a jet blue in the fly pan. Oh, you beat that. Black blingers. Oh, them argue that on a jet blue the man. Who know go like a lie me I tell. Prove me wrong. Prove me wrong now. Yo, you not ashamed. You not ashamed. Eh? You not ashamed. You should even talk to the dog. You should even talk to the dog. Kill a level playing field right now, dog. Rodney Price level the playing field, dog. Level off the playing field, bro. Yo, me love it. Me love it, dog. Who do this and beat me? Killer. Remember, you know? I beating on the talk about killer, you know? I talk about killer now, this him now, that him now, this him. One general. One general. One general. The man enter America on the style. I set the man set the bar again, you know. I him and Buju set the bar, you know. And the way, oh, okay, a time for you come off now. JLU, you get bright. Cause you so hurt over when me I say like, you artist man, and you fly JetBlue, you good at David in our Uber, but you are chase hard. All a black man. Suck your mother. Yeah, so, what me I say is now there's levels to the thing. When Buju come back to America, then there's levels to the thing. When Buju forward, private jet. Bounty Killer forward as the general of the ground, private jet. Very acceptable. Very rich. Very classy. Very superstar. Where you do from JetBlue?
People. Who is people? Richard Bumbacar, Miami. That's it, yo.
Kitchen fully active.
Kitchen fully active.
Yeah, man. Who that? Mrs. Palmer?
Yeah, man. See, man.
Doing the man banana.
Oh.
Oh, I will see them and cook for the whole of them.
Man, let's get that, man.
Alright, you know,
activity.
It's almost lunchtime.
I tell you, in Florida.
In Florida.
You see that? What this under me nose?
Yeah.
See, damn. I'm out.